How to sync notes from iCloud to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now, tap on See All beside Saving is paused. From here, you can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. Scroll down to check if the Note Sync option is on or not. If not, tap on it and turn on the Sync This iPhone switch. This will automatically sync your notes to iCloud. You'll be able to see, edit, share and collaborate from any of your devices. Now, go back and open the Notes app. All your notes over here will sync to iCloud from now on. Following these steps, you can easily sync notes from iCloud to iPhone.